Welcome to the television bulletin number 8 of Lilama 1691. The bulletin contains the following main contents: recruiting and improving human resources quality, expanding market to G7 countries, boiler number 1 steel structure erection ceremony for Taiping 1 thermal power project, investing in machine, equipment purchase to serve for business and production activities. Reportage on new engineers working in Lilama 1691. In the context of international integration, countries and enterprises with high-quality human resources would have great advantages. Over the past years, the human resources training for the sustainable development of Lilama 1691 has been given the first priority by the management board of the company. The following is our reportage on training activities in Lilama 1691 over the past time. A class on labor safety and hygiene held by the machine HSE department. Over 400 personnel from building steel structure and equipment manufacturing, machinery repair team, and welding training center attended the class, which has contributed to improve the awareness of labor safety and hygiene of all employees of the company. This is a step in the document preparation to audit OHAS 18001-2007, an important standard on occupational safety and health. In addition, the company, in coordination with Vietnam Atomic Energy Institute, organized a training course on radiographic testing and a training course on applications and data of Microsoft project, document management according to ISO. In addition, Lilama 1691 has sent engineers and workers to work for EPC contractors. This is a way not only supporting the partners in terms of personnel, but also creating conditions for Lilama 1691 engineers and workers to get more experience and improve their qualifications. Currently, there are about 200 engineers, workers of Lilama 1691 working for the partners, including 161 at Nissan Oil Refinery and Petrochemical Complex working of contractor JGCS, and 12 engineers at Taiping 1 thermal power project working for contractor JEL. Moreover, Lilama 1691 has signed with Bình Sơn Refining and Petrochemical Limited Company (BSR) a principal contract for repairing and maintaining Dung Quất Oil Refinery in emergency cases. Over 50 engineers and workers of Lilama 1691 have attended training courses at BSR. Training for managers, senior personnel, and welders is also implemented by the company. It could be said that Lilama 1691 has paid much attention to training activities, contributing to improve qualifications and skills, foreign languages to all employees. In addition to the training to improve human resources quality, Lilama 1691 has recruited many engineers and workers at vocational schools all over the country. Especially, the company has attracted qualified managers from other units and experienced workers who has retired to come back for work. In 2015, total personnel of Lilama 1691 has raised to nearly 3,500 ones at the end of October from 2,500 ones at the beginning of this year. Of the total, over 500 persons have graduated from universities. Over 1,300 persons have graduated from colleges, 1,500 persons from vocational schools and common laborers. Especially, the company has recruited Mr. Hoàng Xuân Hoàn, Deputy Manager of Material Export Department, and Mr. Hoàng Trường, Specialist in Repair and Maintenance Board. With high qualification with English, they quickly integrate in the working environment of Lilama 1691 and become key personnel of the company. Retired workers who are ready to continue working for the company have been invited to come back to work to share the experience for the young generations. With the rapid development and production scale expansion, the mobilization of human resources becomes an important issue, contributing to the sustainable development of the company. On October the 20th, 2015, at the head office of GEA Heat Exchangers, Belgium City, Germany, Lilama 691 signed with GEA a contract for fabricating and supplying 2,784 tons of dust for the air-cooled condenser of Greenville County Power Station in the United States of America. To meet the technical requirements, high-quality standards of G7 markets, and to ensure the schedule, Lilama 691 will mobilize about 300 experienced engineers, skilled workers, to implement the fabrication under this contract from February to September of 2016. The finished products will be delivered in 3 phases, including 1,120 tons in Phase 1 on April 4, 2016, 854 tons in Phase 2 on June 3, 2016, and 910 tons in Phase 3 on September 5, 2016. This contract will create an opportunity for Lilama 691 to more deeply integrate into G7 markets, to affirm the ability and prestige with partners, which are international groups, to expand gradually the segments of middle and high-level markets, to have the company's products join into the global value chain according to the set development strategy. Lilama 691 is implementing many equipment fabrication projects to export to foreign countries, such as fabricating steel structure, technology pipes for IHI, Kawasaki, Japan, to export to Indonesia, Chile, Morocco, and fabricating 2 sets of 5 heaters with total weight of over 1,000 tons for the Karbala refinery project in Iraq. Taiping 1 Thermal Power Plant project, with total investment of over 26,000 billion Vietnam dong, is estimated to be completed in 2018. This is an important energy work in the north and a national key project. On October 30, 2015, boiler number 1 steel structure erection ceremony took place on the construction site of this project. The ceremony attracted the participation of representatives for owner, Vietnam Electricity, EVN, EPC contractor, Marubeni Corporation Japan, M&E contractor, Jurong Engineering Limited, GEL, and GEL subcontractor, Lilama 691, JSC. This is an important event which marks the conversion from the foundation construction phase to the equipment and steel structure installation phase of Taiping 1 Thermal Power Plant 2x300 MW. At this project, Lilama 691 takes over 75% of whole installation works of mechanical equipment such as steel structure, pipes, pyrex, valves of turbines, and auxiliary system of boiler 1 and boiler 2 with total weight of 28,652 tons.
Hạng mục công việc của chúng tôi ở đây là lắp đặt gồm 2 lò hơi.
According to the contract side with GEL, we take over the installation of 2 boilers, BOP piping, and some auxiliary equipment. In the coming time, we will install the steel structure of boiler number 1 with an average level of over 1,000 tons per month. Total weight of steel structure to be installed is 4,800 tons for each boiler.
Hạng mục lò hơi này tổng cộng khối lượng kết cấu thép của một lò là 4.800 tấn.
At the ceremony, the first steel structure column G4.5 with a weight of 8 tons was safely installed by Lilama 691 erectors in the design position. As planned, the machine unit number 1 of the plant will be put into operation in the 4th quarter of 2017, and the machine unit number 2 will be integrated into the national electricity grid in the 2nd quarter of 2018. Lilama 691 has applied advanced execution methods and equipment machines compared to other units in the country, which is supposed to speed up the schedule. The safety requirements of contractor Marubeni are very strict. Therefore, engineers and workers of erection team number 9 always pay attention to the safety to ensure the target safety, quality, and schedule of the project. So far, our steel structures team has completed the installation of 180 tons of coal bunkers. In the coming time, we will install the steel structure for the boilers in addition to the installation of coal bunkers. With force of skilled welders, good managers and experienced engineers who have taken part in the successful installation of many thermal power projects such as Vũng Áng 1 thermal power plant, 2x600 MW, Nghi Sơn 1 thermal power plant, 2x300 MW, Mông Dương 1 thermal power plant, 2x500 MW, and installing Thái Bình 2 thermal power plant, 2x600 MW. Lilama 69-1 is confident of the successful installation and handover of Thái Bình 1 thermal power plant project, ensuring safety, quality, and schedule. On October 14, 2015, Bắc Ninh Steel Structure and Equipment Manufactory launched the emulation campaign to welcome the celebration of the 55th anniversary of traditional day of Lilama Corporation, December 1st, 1960, December 1st, 2015, and the 9th National Patriotic Emulation Congress 2015. This emulation campaign, which belongs from October 15th to December 2015, is expected to encourage the working spirit of all employees of the manufactory, improving the labor productivity to fulfill the fabrication target of 2,000 tons of equipment and steel structure of 5 ongoing projects. The results of the emulation campaign will be reviewed on January 10, 2016, with total bonus up to 400 million Vietnam dong. In addition, this is an occasion to grant the merit certificates for individuals, organizations which have made excellent achievements in their work process, and to make promotion for employees with outstanding performance during the campaign. 2015 is the year which marks a great development in the repair and maintenance of thermal power plants, oil refineries, chemical plants, and construction material plants of Lilama 69-1, becoming one of key fields of the company. The repair and maintenance of Mông Dương 1 thermal power plant, TPP, Mông Dương 2 TPP, Cẩm Phả TPP, Na Dương TPP has been completed. Currently, the repair and maintenance board of the company is taking over Dung Quất Oil Refinery, Tân Rai Aluminum Plant, Uông Bí TPP, Sơn Đông TPP, with total manpower of 150 persons. By the end of October 2015, at Nghi Sơn Oil Refinery and Petrochemical Complex, Lilama 69-1 has installed 2,295 tons of steel structure, 13,869 tons of equipment, fabricated 18,800 tail-in die of underground pipes, fit up 3,923 in die of pipes for SMP 1A package, fit up 60,124 in die of pipes on pipe rack, fabricated 150,787 in die of pipe for SMP 682 package, and fit up 22,878 in die of pipe on pipe rack SMP 7A package. A Thái Bình 2 thermal power project. As of the end of October of this year, Lilama 69-1 has installed the steel structure, handrails, stairs and floors with total weight of 6,589 tons, installed backstays with total weight of 548 tons, and installed 3,115 tons for pressure items of the boiler. The project has completed 20,000 welding joists. In the first 9 months of 2015, Lilama 69-1 has purchased a lot of equipment, machines to serve for business and operation activities. Total investment of Lilama 69-1 in machine equipment purchase in the first 9 months of 2015 reached 43 billion Vietnam dong. In addition to new crane trucks, beveling machine, drill bits for CNC drilling machines, welding machines, TIG, MIG, the company invested 7 billion Vietnam dong to purchase 50-ton tower crane, which has been installed completely at Bắc Ninh Steel Structure and Equipment Manufactory. It is estimated that Lilama 69-1 will invest nearly 50 billion Vietnam dong in machine and equipment purchase in the fourth quarter of this year, raising total investment in 2015 to 58 billion Vietnam dong. The machine and equipment purchase is implemented by Lilama 691 according to the regulations of the state and Lilama Corporation. To increase the quantity and improve the quality of human resources, Lilama 691 has recruited capable engineers, especially engineers graduated from Hanoi University of Science and Technology and Thái Nguyên University of Technology. From the beginning of this year to now, nearly 100 new engineers have been recruited to work for Lilama 691. The following reportage will reflect clearly their life and work in Lilama 691. Mr. Nguyễn Đức Nhâm, mechanical engineer, graduated from Hanoi University of Science and Technology, was recruited in Lilama 691 in July 2015. Now he is working at Taiping 1 thermal power project as a member of field engineering team. He said the current work is his favorite job. During his work, he gets opportunities to work with foreign experts, which helps him improve his English and qualification.
Tôi mới làm việc ở Lilama 691 được 4 tháng.
After working in 4 months in Lilama 691, I feel I am more mature. In addition to improving my skills in using AutoCAD and Tekla software, my communicating skill and English are also improved so much.
Nó còn giúp tôi phát triển khả năng giao tiếp, kỹ năng tiếng Anh.
Mr. Tô Minh Tuấn, graduated from Thái Nguyên University of Technology, was in Quality Control Division at Taiping 1 thermal power project. He said that he loves his job very much and received support from the foregoers.
My job is assisting for the management board of the project, taking over the supervision, acceptance and quality control of execution items. After working in Lilama 691, I recognize that there are the differences between the actual work and theory. However, with the support of the foregoers, I has worked well at my best efforts.
Mr. Tuấn and Mr. Nhâm are two out of nearly 100 new engineers working in Lilama 691. They work at all construction sites, which Lilama 691 is taking over. Most of them feel the differences between actual activities on the construction sites and theory trained at the universities. However, there have been favorable conditions by the leaders of the company and received support from the foregoers. They integrate quickly into the working environment of Lilama 691.
Thì mình ấn tượng với công ty về 3 mặt. Cái thứ nhất là về công việc chuyên môn.
I am very impressive when working in Lilama 691 because this is a creative and active working environment which creates favorable conditions for me to show my best abilities and knowledge. I am also very happy to attend many outside activities of the company to improve the spirit of employees. Especially, all employees in the company are very friendly and enthusiastic. They support me so much to complete my tasks.
Con em cán bộ trong công ty.
Có thể nói môi trường Lilama 691 là một môi trường
Lilama 691 is a creative working environment which is very suitable for newly graduated technical students to work and confirm their abilities.
Làm việc, khẳng định mình phát triển trong một cái tập thể đoàn kết.
With enthusiasm of the youth and ambition to affirm their abilities, new engineers are expected to bring a new gust of wind, contributing to build a high-quality human resources for the development of Lilama 691, helping the company confirm the leading position in the domestic market and penetrate into ASEAN markets and the world.